vaccine development, digital public infrastructure, and renewable energy have demonstrated what focused scientific effort can achieve. The world is looking towards India not just as a participant but as a leader in shaping the scientific and technological future of the globe. In this context, the graduates of today carry a special responsibility on your shoulders. You all are stepping into the roles where your ideas, your research, and your integrity and your intelligence will influence the direction of the society itself. I am confident that the education and the values you have learned at NISER will enable you to rise to this challenge and contribute meaningfully to the nation and to the humanity as a whole. Dear students, as you step into the world, I would like to share few thoughts. Nurture your curiosity. It is the foundation of all scientific discovery. Uphold integrity in your work. Credibility is the greatest asset of a scientist. Embrace challenges. They are opportunities in disguise. Use your knowledge for the larger good of the society and the humanity as a whole. Remember, science is not just about finding answers. It is also about asking the right questions. Bharat has a rich legacy of scientific excellence, guided by visionaries such as Dr. Homi Bhabha, on whose name this institution has been founded. His efforts laid the foundation for great institutions like the Atomic Energy Commission and the Atomic Energy Establishment. Trompé, now named as Bhabha Atomic Research Center, in his honor only. This legacy continues to live through institutions such as NISER. NISER has, in a relatively short span of time, made noteworthy contributions to India's scientific landscape. As an institution under the DIE, NISER has played an important role in producing highly trained scientists for the nation's premier research and strategic establishments. I am extremely happy to note that NISER's graduates and researchers are actively contributing to cutting-edge work in fundamental sciences, atomic energy programs, healthcare physics, and emerging interdisciplinary domains. Many alumni have gone on to pursue advanced research and academic careers in leading institutions in India and abroad, thereby enhancing the country's global scientific footprint. I extend my heartiest congratulations to all the graduating students and their families. I also appreciate the Secretary of DAE, Dr. Ajit Ji, the Director of NISER, Professor H.N. Ghosh Ji, the faculty staff of NISER for their dedication and commitment to the excellence. May you continue to strive to innovate and to serve with purpose. And I request all the students to rise to give a big hand to your professors, your teaching and non-teaching staff of this institution, and to your parents. This makes you.
उपराष्ट्रपति सीपी राधाकृष्णन को आपण माने शुणुथिले नाइजर समावर्तन उत्सव चलीछि जोथरे निजे उपराष्ट्रपति जोग दैछन्ते।
मम्मा भरोसा माने कोन?
पात्र इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स संपर्क एक भरोसार